Hi there, my name is Mike, and I'm just doing a tutorial video for the Screen Acting Academy website. Specifically, for this video, we are going to discuss how to enter a coupon code. This is obviously if you've already chosen a course. That was our home page. When you go to courses and you select a course and you'd like to put a coupon code, this is after you've filled out the registration form and all the relevant details that the form is asking to input. Then you add to cart. The cart icon is at the top right hand corner of our website. Once you click there, it'll bring you to the payment description, and then you press checkout, and then it'll bring you to the payment processing page. On the payment processing page, you will see on the left-hand side, there's personal details and payment details that you'll have to input, but there is the discount code. The discount code box is right under the order summary. In this case, I put the 20% discount. You can input any discount of ours and just press the apply button, and voila, you will see the discount is applied, and then you just press continue and fill out the remaining details. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, info@yourcasting.ca. Just email us and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you.